Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am doing a collaboration with Tisha's Creative Cooking. You guys, I promise you, when you guys go visit her channel, she does amazing recipes and her food looks so bomb, and I was so excited that she asked for us to collaborate because I feel like her videos are not only informative and inspiring and motivational, but she also gives you great bomb recipes. So you guys definitely go in the description box below, check out her channel, let her know I sent you, and subscribe to her channel as well as subscribe to mine, because we both would truly love and appreciate you guys' support. And yeah, before I get started, I just want you guys to know thank you so much for all the support and love that I've been getting on my channel. I really appreciate it. So anyways guys, let's get started with my lasagna. Okay, first things first, I am boiling the water for the noodles. And I always put salt and some oil. So I'm gonna start seasoning the meat. Please don't mind it, it is clean, just to let you know. So I'm just gonna tell you what I put in it. So we got some garlic, sazon, onion powder, and some adobo. Oh wow, looks like I put a lot, but it's fine. But like I said before in many of my videos, I do not measure my seasonings. Stir this up real quick. You guys don't need to put this, however, I have some homemade sofrito, but I put about 2 or 3 spoons of sofrito. Let's put 3. I love sofrito. And I need the homemade one, not the one that's store-bought, because I feel like it does not taste good, the store-bought one. My boyfriend's mother actually makes it, so I am so happy she does, because I usually do it myself back in the day until I realized that she made it, so she gives me a few jars all the time. So I'm just gonna let that brown. I feel like I'm a mess, so bear with me guys. I feel like I need more sofrito. Just gonna add half or more. Smells so good. So I'm just gonna let that brown. And then for my sauce, I use Hunt's traditional. I don't like this one doesn't have like chunks of tomato in it, so it's amazing because I don't like chunks of tomato. And then for the lasagna noodles, I just use this one. Now guys, this is not low carb. I do spoil myself sometimes with lasagna once a month or once every 2 months because I cannot live without pasta. So let that just sizzle and dizzle, and I don't know what else rhymes with sizzle. The water's taking a very long time to boil, so I'm gonna come back when the meat is already browned, and then I'm gonna show you what cheeses I use. Actually, I'm gonna show you now. I use sharp cheddar and mozzarella from Kraft. Now guys, I used to always put ricotta ricotta. I used to always put ricotta or cottage cheese or all 4 of the cheeses, but right now I only put 2 cheeses. I mean, that water, that needs to boil already. Look at how nice. Ooh, it smells so good. So we got all the meat nice and ready, and now it's finally started boiling. Usually I boil this first, but I don't know, that was just a hot mess. Anyways, so this boils for 8 minutes. I'm not gonna put a lot of noodles in there because it's only us 2, so I'm gonna put like just a few. I think that should be fine, hopefully. So I let that boil while stirring a little bit sometimes for 8 minutes. Maybe even more, 10 minutes. Depends on how hard or whatever, because some people like their noodles a little bit more firm. But I like them all the way done, but not too, you know, not too, what's that called? Slimy, I guess. If you overcook it, it gets slimy. I don't like that. Okay, let's start prepping for the lasagna. So I just spray a little bit. It is small, but it, like I said, it's only 2 of us. And I have this here. My meat, which I already drained, because you want to drain all the grease and stuff. And then my sauce, have it all lined up for me. I'm gonna open that, but you guys don't need to see me opening it. But still waiting on the noodles. I'll be right back. So now, as I am prepping, I have the oven on at 400 while it preheats, and by the time I have all it together, I'll just pop it in the oven. Hot, hot, hot. You guys don't need to do this, however, I kind of wash it down a little bit because it's too hot. I'm just gonna let it drain a little bit out so it don't get watery. All right, let's start doing the lasagna. Obviously, like always, put 1 layer of noodles. These, it's too big. So I just cut off what I don't need. Alright, so let's make this quick because my camera's dying. So once the noodles are done, I put a layer of meat. If you guys do it differently, that's fine. I'm just showing you like how I do it. But sorry, the lighting crappy, but it's just really bad in here. I take half my meat and then I spread it. And then take my sauce. I did it backwards, guys, but that's how I am. I'm so backwards right now. So I put the sauce. I'm going to show you on my next level of lasagna how I actually do it. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm just hungry. I'm getting impatient. And then the mozzarella. And then the cheddar. I love cheese, guys. Woo! The more cheesier, the better. All right, let's go with our second layer. Oh, there goes my preheat. So I actually put the sauce in first. I don't know what I was doing the first time, but you guys, I'm telling you, I'm a mess. All right, just spread this all out. And then the last of the meat. It's kind of still greasy, but I try to strain it as much as possible, but actually I kind of used too much meat in the first layer, but it's fine. And then just spread it out. Yeah, I definitely used too much meat in the first layer. Usually I use a pound of beef, but this time I don't know, I used too much. And then more cheese. Final layer. There you go. So here it is, getting ready to put in the oven. About 20 minutes, maybe even longer. I usually wait until the cheese is all melted. So I'll be back with the final product. Not product, but y'all know what I mean. So look how good this looks, all done. Guys, I hope you liked how I made my lasagna. Look at how cheesy that is. Oh my god, it was so delicious. I cannot get enough with lasagna, but I can't eat it all the time like I stated before in the video, but it's definitely something I truly enjoy eating. But anyways guys, remember, go check out Tisha's channel. It will be linked below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. I would really love to hear your feedback, and also you know, just to chit chat. So yeah, guys, I will let you guys go until my next video. Bye.